Hey guys, welcome to the show. Where are we off to today? We are off to pick up and move our SeaPen. So I just managed to beach the SeaPen over there. It's always a calamity doing stuff on water. So the first thing to do, we have actually got a tow rope. This is for tow sports, and we're just gonna be feeding it in through the back.
Down the left. You need to pass it. I think you'll be able to fit it through. It'll be between that green membrane and the black frame.
Oh, well done.
Got it?
Something.
It's probably a hook there. And then,
well done.
Then just untangle the rope and put the other end through the loop.
Boom. Managed to get it done.
Captain Ian is helping us. Aye, aye, Captain.
I just need to untie the ropes. It's actually a lot more difficult than it seems because they use a heat gun to actually melt the rope ends together. So maybe pick up a knife next time.
Is Ash gonna fall in? Is Betty gonna fall in the SeaPen? Over there.
Oh, you're keeping it together.
Hey, well done. You got everything. Oh.
Yep, no worries.
Doing a good job, Ian.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
It's hilarious. So last time, my friends, I was towing his boat. Now, Captain, he's towing my SeaPen.
It's good. You're doing it. Well done.
Captain, so he's going super slow at the moment because
You don't want to go too fast because the waves are going to go over the SeaPen, fill up with water, and then the rope might snap. So you got to go slow.
it'll just be harder to tow.
It's much harder to tow with.
Hello. Hello, lift all, Captain.
Hey, Captain. Looks so cute. Looks so cute.
Is the SeaPen big enough for you, little one?
It's not big enough, Daddy.
We got a big cruiser. His wake. Is it gonna affect? What happened?
We've got an excellent captain, so it hasn't affected us.
Thanks, Gakpo. All right, luckily we had that big Riviera coming up close to our SeaPen. He thought he could dock it, but unfortunately, he couldn't. He just managed to rock it. Oh, it's wavy now. Goodbye, control box. It's been nice knowing you. So, just realized, well, we didn't just realize, we realized a few minutes ago that because we have to drive so slow, it's actually gonna take us like an hour to get to the next place. So it's a nice cruisy ride. I think Nora's loving it. She likes going slow.
It's true. But you do have to be really vigilant of the traffic. There's a lot of traffic.
The houseboat behind us. Yeah, good tricks. The control box is getting a bit soaked now, but hopefully it'll survive.
Amazing how fast you can go with an 8 horsepower motor.
So right now we're following some tinny rats. And my friends, we're coming up onto the lock, so I'm getting the rope untangled because we're going to try to figure out how we're going to get this massive 10-meter SeaPen plus this 7-meter boat through the lock. We don't know what we're going to do, but someone's really excited about it. I can see a smiling face, little one.
Now here is some footage of someone successfully docking their SeaPen through a lock. Unfortunately for us, we didn't have the foresight to do it properly. So yeah, I managed to beach the SeaPen, and what's even worse, the starter motor of the bayliner was flat, so the boat was stranded, and I was stranded holding this beach SeaPen. So hopefully someone will drive by and help me just nudge it slightly so I can move the SeaPen. It's always a calamity doing stuff on water. Please, can someone help? Please. And lucky for us, a good Samaritan did actually step up. He came in and he just was a superhero, just towed our SeaPen with his jet ski through the lock, and we had to put the lock in manual operation mode. The security came in because about a year ago, someone actually towed their SeaPen into a lock and they crashed it, and the gate closed on the SeaPen, and the gates of the locks are actually designed to break as a failsafe, which causes some really expensive repairs. Someone's insurance had to do a heavy payout for that. So I don't know what we were thinking. I don't know if I should recommend. Don't do this. Just hire a professional. Actually, we got quoted a professional, and the professional said, even SeaPen themselves, they said that they are not liable if they damage it. So I guess that's what we did, and somehow we made it. Thank you, Good Samaritan.
Thanks, mate.
And meanwhile, unfortunately, the starter motor battery of the Bayliner actually didn't work, so we were kind of stranded there. But as you can see, Captain Good Samaritan helped us tow the SeaPen, and it's just a relief. Looks gorgeous. Looks gorgeous when it's in operation as well. Unfortunately for us, the SeaPen was actually too small for our boat, so we had to move it on board. Now the guys that came to pick it up, they wanted to follow SeaPen's instructions, and they kind of tow it from the side. Unfortunately, for some reason, the jet ski they were using, a Trix, wasn't powerful enough, so they just ended up towing it like we did, and just went very slowly through the waters.
Good luck, guys.
Now they were smart. They also had a collapsible bucket, so if water did fill up, they could empty it out. But nice guys, and they managed to tow it away. I don't know if they actually made it to their destination, because towing does take hours and hours and hours, but they did make it through the lock, and we saw them on the water, and they were just cruising on by ever so slowly. Apparently it would take them something like 2 to 4 hours to get home. So yeah, towing a SeaPen, I don't recommend it. It's doable, it's fun. Yeah, good luck. Let us know if you guys are towing your SeaPen and how your story goes. Hope you guys found this video useful and enjoyed the show.
We got a big cruiser.
So I just managed to beach the SeaPen over there. It's always a calamity doing stuff on water.